We'll recall the matter of Ypsilanti Township versus Laquan Fortenberry, case number 24W000271.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Hello, Defender Don V. Leva on behalf of Mr. Fortenberry. Mr. Fortenberry, please state your name, sir.
Laquan Fortenberry.
Thank you. All right, this matter was passed, so you can talk to Mr. Fortenberry about his matter as well as the violation of probation. What would your client like to do, Mr. Lebo?
With regard to the bond violation, Mr. Fortenberry will be pleading guilty to that.
Mr. Fortenberry, please raise your right hand, please swear.
Okay.
And also, please take off your hat.
So my hood.
Yes. I can't see your hand, sir.
I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You may lower your hand. It's my understanding, sir, that you understand you have a right to have a hearing regarding this bond violation, but you're choosing to waive that. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Is it true that you're admitting that you tested positive for THC? Well, actually, I'm not including them, that you missed samples from March 7th through March 18th of 2024, sir.
Yes.
All right, I find that there's a knowing and willing admission to the violation. Are you satisfied, Mr. Barnett?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
What does your client have to say about why he's missing all these tests?
Your Honor, Mr. Fortenberry works as an over-the-road truck driver. What he tells me is he was unable to get to testing because he was not able to get the time off work in order to be reporting to community corrections. I did explain to him, that's very important that when the court orders him to do something, that he do it, that if somebody's unable to, he needs to contact the court or community corrections to let them know, and he does tell me he understands that now.
There you go. Well,
Mr. Barnett, anything you'd like to say regarding this matter?
Just that he needs to start testing.
It looks like they were testing him for drugs. Well, no, this is a PBT. Okay, so he's missed all these PBTs. He had drugs and PBTs. So are there allegations of drugs or only alcohol?
I believe it's an open intox in a vehicle, so I believe it's alcohol, Your Honor.
That's my understanding as well, Your Honor.
So I want to test him for the alcohol. So if he can't get in to take the test, he can get on the scram or tether. Which one would he like?
Mr. Fortenberry, would you prefer to have
why do I gotta go on the tether? The police officers didn't test me for alcohol or nothing. I just got pulled over and there was a bottle of alcohol in the car. Why do I gotta test for drugs and alcohol when it's just I don't get why I'm testing for all this for. And I don't got the time in the day to go test. Like I'm over the road half of the week.
All right. So we're gonna have Mr. Fortenberry come into court here next. Let's see him on April 3rd.
I don't think I'm here to get the time off work.
Well, then bench warrant will pick you up, put you in jail, and see if we can have you get the time off that way. April 3rd, 2024 at 11 a.m. We'll see you in person.
Feel like a setup. I guess.
Mr. Fortenberry, you should stop talking.
I'm saying I just got to stop for alcohol, but now I'm all of a sudden
Mr. Fortenberry.
A fiend.
Mr. Fortenberry, you need to test within 24 hours. If you don't, I'm issuing an immediate warrant.
Well, I'm not gonna make it in 24 hours, so you can just send a warrant.
All right, then I'll just do that right now. Bench warrant to issue $20,000 cash as surety.
That's what happened when you black in the mirror.
All right, defendant is also held in contempt of court. And I'll anytime you get on the contempt, stacks on top of the other charge, just so you know.
Thank you.